We just finished the juicing activity, so now we're about to taste the juice to see how it tastes. It's good. Oh, Lord. Should we shake it? No.
Shake it and take it.
Okay. Shake it and take it.
It's good medicine. Good for you. Pineapple, cucumber, and mint. I love it.
Yes.
Yeah.
This is really good.
Absolutely. It's so fresh. Oh my goodness.
This is hands down my favorite.
I think I like this better than watermelon.
So do I.
Yeah.
The mint, you can taste the mint in it.
It's herbaceous. It's smooth. It's everything. I love pineapples. If I could grow my own, I would. Because you know what they say about those pineapples. Oh.
Well, y'all, that concludes our session
She's cutting
today.
me off. She's cutting me
I
off.
am indeed. Thank you all for watching. And please, if you have not, hit that subscribe button to see more interaction with me
and share.
Please, yes, like and share. All right then. Bye.
Bye.